Today, we will study neuron, the basic unit of the nervous system. A neuron is a specialized cell. It is designed to receive information and transmit information in the body. Because of this, neurons help in communication throughout the body. Now let's see the parts of neuron. Cell body, also called soma, nucleus, dendrites, axon, Schwann cells, node of Ranvier, myelin sheath. We will understand each part in detail. First, dendrites. Dendrites are short, branched process. They receive signals from the other neurons and carry them toward the cell body or soma. Next, axon. Axon is a single long process. It carries signals away from the cell body to other neurons or muscle. It is also called the axis cylinder. So the direction of signal flow is dendrite to soma to axon. Now myelin sheath. Myelin sheath is a covering around the axon. It is a lipid-rich layer that acts as an insulator. It increases the speed of conduction. Because of the myelin sheath, there are small gaps called nodes of Ranvier. These nodes help the signal to travel faster by jumping from one node to another. This process is called saltatory conduction. Now synapse. A synapse is the gap between two neurons. It helps in communication using neurotransmitter. Now let us understand the physiology of neuron. At rest, the neurons maintain its membrane potential due to ion distribution. At rest, the neurons maintain its membrane potential are more outside and potassium ions are more inside. Now action potential, when stimulus is applied and electrical signals is generated during depolarization, sodium enters the cell. During repolarization, potassium exits the cell. This process is called action potential. Impulse transmission. The signal travels along the axon. This is called propagation. In myelinated neurons, conduction is very fast. The impulse jump from node to node. This is called saltatory conduction. At the synapse, neurotransmitter transfer the signal to next neuron. Clinical important. If this process is affected, conductions become slow or blocked. This can lead to weakness or paralysis. So neuron structure and physiology together help in fast communication in the body.